So hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, Amazon Music offers more than just on-demand songs and playlists. It also has a huge collection of stations, pre-built and even continuously playing streams of music organized by type, mood, activity, and even era. So stations are great when you want a specific vibe without building a playlist yourself. In today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to actually find and use Amazon Music stations so you can always have the perfect background music. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. So as for the step number 1, we want to access our stations. How to find them? Pretty easy. Go through your phone or desktop or even tablet. Open the Amazon Music and tap on the Browse tab. It's usually at the bottom. Look for a section called Stations or even Radio. On some versions, it might be under like moods and types. You can then explore station categories. You'll find stations organized in different ways. By type, pop, rock, hip-hop, country, whatsoever. By mood, like relaxation, workout, focus, party. Or even by activity, like cooking and driving or even studying. You can even check them by decade, 80s, 90s, by artist, stations named after specific artists as well. Then go all the way and start a station. Tap on any station card to start playing immediately. The new station will play basically continuously, mixing familiar songs with new discoveries. You can control your station by skipping songs, giving thumbs up or down to personalize, or even add songs to your own library. Then view the queue to see upcoming songs, and that's it. So, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.